Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my page. If you're just joining my page, please press the subscribe button, comment, like and subscribe. Today, what are we cooking today? We are cooking special concoction rice, yes, and I'm using cow skin and liver to make the concoction rice. You can try this as well. It came out nice and it's actually delicious. So first thing I did, I prepared the stew base. I use different spices. I use bell pepper, onions, tomato, long pepper, and I added a bit of spring onions to fry the vegetable oil. So now our base is almost ready. So we proceed with the rice. So I'm going to be using basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice, but I'm using basmati here. So I'm adding the stew to the parboiled rice, and we're going to stir everything together and add a bit of water. Then we cover it and allow it to cook. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. Please, you can try this. You can eat it any time of the day, either morning, afternoon, evening, night. Yes, it came out nice. It's not everything every day you be cooking the normal. You just have to be creative. Well, get something together. Yes, get something together. So rice is almost ready. I love this. Yes, I love this. Please, once again, guys, subscribe to my page, comment on my page, share and like, and please stay tuned for more interesting cooking recipe. Thank you guys for your time and patience. Bye.